we're going to see how we can able to connect Snowflake from Boomi. So basically we're going to create a free account with Snowflake, and we're going to create some database and we try to connect. And today we are going to see query operator. Let's start. So to create a Snowflake free account, just type in Snowflake and it will take you to a sign up page. Once you give the details, you could create with your Gmail account itself. So once you give your details and click continue, agree terms, that will navigate to a page that you can just click on business critical account, because we could try different operators with that account, and you can select Amazon, Azure, whatever it is, and then just continue. So you'll be seeing a message something like this, and there will be an email sent to your Gmail, whatever email you have given, and if you click that link, you will be landed here. So basically Snowflake dashboard looks like this, and you can just go to data and create a database over here. So what we are trying today is we are going to connect Snowflake database from Boomi. So I just have a Boomi platform. You could see there is no process till now. So first of all, I'm going to create a Snowflake database. So just click here and name anything. I'm naming it as demo_db create, and you can create a schema under that, or there will be a public schema already, so use the public schema and you can create some table there. So just here give the table name like EMP and any number of columns. This is just for testing purpose. So ID, integer, name, string, and if you click on this, INTEGR, yeah, integer spelling mistake, yeah. If you click on this, you could see a table got created, and to load the data, just go to worksheets and create a new worksheet. Select your database and schema, and just write insert query, insert into EMP. The columns are ID, name, values, 1 comma, nog. Just run. So we can insert any number of records here. Ramu, Damu, yeah. I'm going to run all these inserts. You can just check once the data loaded. Select star from EMP. You can see basically the table, all the data. Yeah, now we're done. So come here, you're going to create a process. Now we are going to create a process and create a Snowflake connector, and we are going to create an operator, query operator, to get the data. Let's see that. Just click on new, create a process, Snowflake demo. So the start shape can be start with no data. Just give OK, and here you can drag the Snowflake connector, and so Snowflake DB connector, I'm naming like this, Snowflake, and I'm giving action as query, and here we have to give credentials. So from where we should get this account name? Again, go back to Snowflake, go to home page. If you see here, the left side down at the bottom, you can see your account details here. and there is a link telling copy account URL. Just click on that, and I think this is the same. Paste this. This will be from HTTPS to this Snowflake computing. This will be your account name. So copy that, come back here, replace the account name, and give your username, password while creating a Snowflake account. What you have given. Apply, just test the connection of that account URL and username, password. Let's see. It's making a ping. So I think some SPN log, and what is this? Password would have wrong. Just test the connection. Yeah, you could see the connection is successful, finish, and now we are trying to connect the database basically. So if you see here the demo database, I don't know what database we have created. Just forget one second. Just go to here. So yeah, demo_db only we have created. The database name is correct and schema is public. And what is the role? We account admin. So basically, you have to copy this role, whatever role for your username account. Basically, you should copy here and save, close. So we just created a connector. Now the operation, so click here to create an operation. The operation is query operation, and just import and select your local atom and whatever atom you are using, and connection whatever you created, new Snowflake connection 4, we can rename that, and next. So yeah, if you see here, this is the only table available, EMP table, so it's auto selected. Just give next. Response profile, it automatically selected some response profile. Okay, finish. And here you can create some filters out of it. You can add some expression, and you can name this expression like anything, ID or name. Okay, I'm going to create expression on name field, and also equals to. So I'm saving and close. Okay, so we are seeing his warning here. We have to set parameters basically. So we have created an expression on the operator, so we have to select that expression and give static, and this static value will be queried always. Basically query means it fires a select query, select star from EMP where name equals to nog. That's the query this will create while we are running the process. Just give OK, and finally just stop and continue. Just name it as stop. Okay, just link it up. Okay, now I'm going to test this. Let's see what we'll get. So select the atom and run test. So it's basically running, and I can see that test is successful. Just go there and check the data. So there is no shape source data, but connection data would be there. And if you see this file, yeah, so we could able to grab the file successfully. I mean, this is a query. We gave static name as nog, that's why we just got this record from the database. If you go here, the worksheet, if you see this worksheet, see we have put against the like query, sorry, equals to query against the name nog, so it's able to just get the single record. So if we change the operator, go back to process. If we change the operator's value, just go there, edit here. If you make thumb, okay, and test a connection. The process is running. It's here in Snowflake Connector. It's connected the Snowflake and get the data. So just click on this step and check here. So now you can see the record which has name of DOM. So this what it's very simple to connect Snowflake database using Boomi. We'll meet in next video. Thanks. Bye.